Okay, welcome to Sofia. So right now I'm right in the center, and this is the startup line in the street. I don't think many of you know what street this is. I'm just gonna show you where we're staying. This is the building, and we are renting a flat here. This a two-story building. It actually looks quite nice from outside. If I'll show you, it's like really historical and very close to everything. So here you can see the building, and the owner is really nice. He met us. Oh, actually it's a three-story building. You can see the third floor out there. So he's going to remodel it and make it look really nice. This is the main entrance, but it's not working at this moment, and I'm going to show you when we go inside, because the entrance is from the side. So, and it's everything is very close here, really nice. So around here I think he's going to make the upstairs also for rent. So we are on the ground floor. That's the entrance. I'm going to show you inside. What do we have? So already looked in. So the kitchen, okay, and everything is here. I mean, you have absolutely everything you need, and I'm not gonna lie now what the price is. I'll tell you. I'm gonna check out, and I will write a note. So you see, we have here the stove. It's actually quite often that they only have two rings stoves in Bulgaria. I've been checking a lot of flats, and that's what they do. We do have oven, and you see everything, all the food is also included, the breakfast. So I'll show you the fridge where he got everything in there. The only thing is they don't have is the heating, central heating, no, and I don't see air conditioning. So you see, that's what they use for the heating, this like little oven, and also that's the heater. So I mean, right now it's really nice and warm. It's about 20 degrees outside, or probably 65, 70 Fahrenheit, and it's still a little bit chilly inside, but not too bad. So it's like you see everything in there. Oh, it's also something in here. What's that? Blender. I mean, it's like pretty much the proper flat when you'll be living like and having everything in it. So going to see a bedroom. Okay, so that's the bed. Also really interesting, right by the window like that, and a little chair and little table here. So also a wardrobe. So what do we have? Not many hangers, though. Maybe in here we do. Well, just few hangers. Okay. So let's go inside again here. So a little breakfast area. You see, it was really kind and of the owner. He bought us cherries and some apricots and little peaches. There are some, like you see, orange apples, and this is the fridge. You see, like breakfast stuff, eggs, some bologna sausages, some desserts and cheese. He just asked what we wanted, and just then he got for us some. He's asking, like, you know, what you have for breakfast. So we said like cheese and sandwiches, you know, if there are no porridges. No, usually when I travel I don't cook porridges. So this is the little bathroom. Also interesting thing, in Bulgarian flats I noticed they have just a wet room, and here you can see the proper shower room. You see the cubicle with really cool lights. They changing the colors, so it's like very romantic. So usually they just would have like a shower head, and it wouldn't be with the door. I felt really strange, because like you see, you have a toilet, and everything in here would get wet, right? So they don't keep stuff in the bathrooms if it's a wet room, because I saw before, it just would have been on, you know, on the wall and not protected. I felt like really silly, but it's very common here in Bulgaria, I guess. So you see here also he's got absolutely everything you need, like shower gels and shampoos, and even the earbuds. See, look at this, like really cool mirror. If you open it, look at that. It's like from the fairy tale. Oh, I'm the princess, where's my prince? Okay, so really cool. What else? Like hair dry and some other stuff. I don't know, ferment something. You know, I'm going to turn it off. That's really cool. Those lights. Look at that. They have red color and yellow color and green and blue. So pretty cool. And also, it's not all. We have a living room. And I'm going to show you a living room. There, look at that. We have TV. Standing on a really old TV. I guess that old TV is not working, so it's just used as a stand. And also there is radio and some CDs and TVs. That's the view of the street. Okay, and here we have chairs and sofa. So table, and also Wi-Fi is included. Yeah, so it's free. So that's really nice. I think for the price and staying in, I can't open that. You know, for the price, for the capital, I think the price is really good. And like I'm saying, you see, the place is really nice and clean, and the owner is very friendly and left so much food, and he actually showed us all around, you know, where the other cafes and restaurants and nightclubs and exchange, where you can exchange money. Here, you know, Bulgaria, they use lev. They don't have euros yet. You know, Bulgaria is a part of EU, but it's not in Schengen. Like I always make, it's like UK was before Brexit, right? So it's because they like have their own currency, like like Britain also, right? Has its own currency, so they're not in Bulgaria. Don't have euro, and for Russians, for example, to go to Bulgaria, you need another visa, not Schengen visa, right? So that's a little bit different. They're planning to join the EU, but I don't know, like fully to be a member of EU, like and have a euro. But I don't know if they're going to do it, because it's quite poor country compared to other European countries, right? So, and that's why a lot of people just don't think that they ever gonna make euros here. So, well, that's the flat I wanted to show you. It's a second day. I ran around a little bit trying to sort out things, so I didn't show you Sofia in this video. So maybe I'll show you a little bit of the city. I will definitely show you in one of the other videos. Okay, guys? So, and that's it for now. So I'm gonna sit in the internet a little bit to do my stuff. Then I'm gonna have a shower, have something to eat, and sleep finally, because I'm so tired. So tired. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.